Hey everyone, this is Chuck here with MEC. This is my 2024 Top Toy Tech Tip Selection. Take a look at some of these items that I really like.
Who doesn't love STEM toys? There are many kits out there. Some of them combine electronics with beautiful colors, and some of them create a toy like a race car out of different engineering parts. With the huge variety and selection out there, you'll be able to find the perfect kit that matches your kid's interest. Earbuds are one of the best gifts you can give, but as we all know, they're very easy to lose. So I don't recommend getting a very expensive pair, just a good pair. These Soundcore by Anker are great quality and they come in really cool colors. One of the most popular tech toys out there are gaming handhelds. The Lenovo Legion Go is my personal favorite one, with the largest screen and detachable controllers. This is a premium gift for any video game lover out there. A TV that I would recommend to anybody is this Roku Smart TV Pro series. I love the 120Hz refresh rate for a very smooth viewing experience, and it has my favorite streaming platform, a Roku. It comes in 3 different sizes to fit anybody's living room.
I hope you thought these items were as cool as I did, and I want to share one more secret with you. A website called SlickDeals.com is a really cool way to add and track the things that you want the most. You can't buy anything directly from the site, but there's many posts of the greatest deals for the items that you want. So keep an eye out for that. Remember to watch our videos, like and subscribe, and as always, together our future is bright.